Zoe and Roy's Great Shape Parade. Today is a very special day. Zoe is starting a parade, and she is looking for friends that are round, pointy, and full of fun shapes. Come join the shape parade. Zoe calls out happily. Look, Zoe shouts. She finds a bright red ball. It has no corners and rolls across the floor. This shape is a circle, she says. Can you find a circle in your room? Roy wants to join the parade too. He finds a wooden block with 4 sides. He counts them carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the sides are the same. I found a square. Roy cheers, holding it up high. Zoe skips into the kitchen and finds something delicious. It's a slice of watermelon. It has 3 straight sides and 3 pointy corners. This is a triangle, she says, like a mountain or a party hat. Roy looks on the shelf and finds his favorite picture book. It has 4 sides, he says, but 2 are long and 2 are short. This is a rectangle. He stretches his arms wide to show how long it is. Outside in the garden, Zoe finds a smooth white egg. It's round but a little stretched, she says softly. This is an oval. She holds it very gently. Back inside, Roy looks up at the ceiling. A golden sticker glows in the dim light. It has 5 pointy arms, he says. It's a star. Zoe finds a soft, red pillow on the sofa. It's shaped like love, she giggles. It's a heart. She gives it a big, cozy hug. The wind begins to blow outside. Roy grabs his favorite kite. It looks like 2 triangles joined together, he says. My diamond kite is ready to fly. He runs across the grass, laughing. Zoe discovers a piece of honeycomb. She counts carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides make a hexagon. It looks just like a tiny honey home for bees. Zoe and Roy gather all their shapes together. A circle, square, triangle, rectangle, oval, star, heart, diamond, and hexagon. 9 wonderful shapes for their parade. Shapes are everywhere. They shout together, and just like that, the Great Shape Parade becomes the most colorful, joyful parade of all.